Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to all my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Abu Twadi Kuchi.
Hey, Steve, Utama Chiefs ateni.
Hey, address me. Ngalenda ba makisi.
But taxi kiss weight.
It's ama fans weight.
Not kiss weight.
Not ama kiss weight. Iza ngama simba le out. You want even kungibamba nokungibamba.
Hayibo. When was that?
He addressed me sisepulukwa.
Hey sir.
Yeah. But I listened.
Askisi.
Ukuthi khona marikise ngiyithathile la.
Yeah, nawe ukhuzeki man. Hayi lawuleka.
Ukuthi angisajoli yabona brother.
So bacishe bakusummarize le. Imbombela askisi Brian.
Ngiyangithola bangibuyisa kwi-mission ye-platform yabona. Ne-vision ye-platform. Indaba amafeni.
Yeah, no. Steve game sibonile ne.
Sure brother.
Yakhumbula le game le yaye Lupopo FC.
Yes.
I think yeah.
Sure.
To me, it was a more or less a similar game.
Replica.
Amajita were highly nervous. Yeah, but I don't blame them. Remember, Uguti, it speaks to experience.
Yes.
Yonke le group esinayo manje.
Yeah.
Akekho ke wathatha league before.
Akekho.
Yeah, so you can't blame those poor players.
Yeah.
Over and above that, the technical team as well, including the coach. I mean, bonke banjalo akekho umuntu esingathi uke wathatha league amongst them. So the nerves were high. You could see even when the game was playing, the communication between them as a technical team and a coach, bobona ukuthi labantu khona into abafuna ukuyenza, but at the same time they are not sure ukuthi mele benze. So it speaks to experience. Now coming back to Durban City.
Okay.
Durban City doesn't concede goals.
As conceded.
That's the nature of Durban City. Durban City is Maritzburg. Yeah, Maritzburg kahle kahle. Sekukuthi nje igama elisha. Those people don't concede. That's the nature of their game. They sit at the back.
Yeah.
And that's their style of play. You can't blame them. So they were not going to make things easy for Orlando Pirates to grab points like that, because also they finding themselves go position 7. They want to consolidate the spot, go top 8. So it was not going to be an easy game.
Sure, Prachi.
But Stibo, why do you change it if it's not broken?
That's a good question, Prachi.
Why do you change it if it's not broken? You played against the Stellenbosch, you got the result. You played against the Mekesi, you got the result.
Yes, Prachi.
Play the same personnel. Umakhehleni Makhawula ukhona bekaloku adlala kahle nombatha lapha emidleleni, things were happening. Boqala ngomahopa and you are getting results. So without taking nothing away from Lomfana Oselepe, but win a game here and then Moyo dlala ne Orbit in a less pressure, then introduce Oselepe, because Oselepe it's our player as well. But we're all worried must hola a lineup change. And sometimes I don't know, uyazi ngesikhathi sika the late Screamer Shabalala. Things like this when we're not going to happen, because abo Screamer Shabalala bekuwa technical directors that will inform the coach that this is right and this is not right. So sometimes we miss him. Ukuthi abantu abanjalo bebakhona ukuthi ezinye izinto baz address ukuthi but chief lana relax. If ucheka criticism yethu towards our coach from the beginning of the season, the chopping and changing of a lineup, we have been very particularly myself, I've been very consistent. Coach, if it's not broken, don't change it. Now we are under pressure. Yoguti, we need to win by all means necessary. Mbombela against the Orbit. And Nakona, we are very fortunate. Mamelodi Sundowns lost against TS Galaxy. If that was not the case, benkuluma nje ukuthi namhlanje ileague ngabe iphelile ngabe iSundowns kwabo champion. So we are saying to all the Pirates fans, it's not over. League is still within reach. We win the game against Orbit College, who are crowned the champions of EPSL. So I'm saying let's go there, support the boys. They need our support because the experience of winning the league is not there. So let's go and give them that moral support until we win a league. Ogunye sesokubona next season. Siyabonga Steve.
Thank you, Prachi.